First tornado warning of the year.
In south central Wisconsin, southeastern.
Not for me though.
In south central Wisconsin.
I don't have batteries, damn it.
At 6 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Evansville, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, weather spotters reported funnel cloud. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
Siren's about to go off.
Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Fulton, Indian Fort, Edgerton, Crooksville, Albion, Utica, Evansville, and Stoughton. Take cover now.
Again, I'm saying this because there's gonna be people in the comment section. My siren system in my county. Here we go. My siren system in my county is under the same system. So I'm in Beloit, which is south of Evansville. The storm is moving northeast away from me. In fact, it's probably right there. As you can see, it's way too nice for a tornado, right? That's the storm moving northeast away from me. So I'm only saying this because, like I said, I've had people, oh, you're going outside during tornado warnings? I know when my town is under a tornado warning or not. But it's kind of funny because today would have been our first tornado siren test of the year. But because it was storming and raining earlier today, they canceled it. But now we have this tornado warning, so we got our test. It is pretty nice out here. It's about 65 degrees. The winds calmed down too from earlier. Yeah, so over there towards McKinley Avenue, that's where the T-128 is. There is a federal signal over by the Burger King on 4th Street. And there's another federal signal, I'd say about almost 2 miles south of me on McKinley. No, not McKinley. Is that McKinley? Yeah, off of McKinley. Okay. But yeah, that's the main one you can hear. And again, just so I don't get those people in the comment section, I'm really not trying to be an ass when I say this, but I've had people legit yell at me as if I don't know what to do during a tornado warning and how I like literally I know how this is. But the siren system, because I wanted to like kind of be quiet a little bit more because I know y'all want to hear the sirens. So the siren system in my county, Rock County, Wisconsin, is on the same system. So Clinton, which is about east of Beloit, yeah, east of Beloit, where I am, Clinton sirens just went off. And the storm, I'll even show you on my iPad here. I'll pull up my laptop too, but let me just show you real quick. I'll show you on my iPad. All right, give me 1 second. I'll make sure my dog Bear. storm shield. So first of all, we got a little tornado outbreak going on right now in the south. Just want to show this. This is what I was literally looking at before that tornado warning popped up. So yeah, right here. So here's the tornado warning, Evansville, and then again, holy crap. Hopefully Evansville don't get hit again. We don't need a repeat of that. But basically, the tornado warning's right here. The storm is moving northeast. I am in Beloit, right there. So Janesville, unironically, because they get warnings every single time. Clinton, Tiffany, basically every little Rock County town, Milton, all their sirens went off. Yeah, so it's a fast moving storm, so that's crazy because we had some risk with tornadoes, but like you see, we're not even in the tornado watch. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you then.